Monday lunchtime now. I've just had a really productive morning because I was watching a study with me, like a 2 hour study with me with the Pomodoro technique, which I've never really done before. But I find it so helpful and so nice to have someone else to study with, because sometimes I find that I'm really unmotivated because I'm literally just here on my own studying and kind of don't feel like anyone else is doing it too. So it is so nice to have someone else doing it, even though it's just like over a camera or whatever. But yeah, I had a really good morning, so I'm gonna have some lunch now. I'm having sushi for lunch, and I've also decided to include some little baby oranges and some salad that was left over from last night's dinner. I got sushi for Valentine's Day with my boyfriend and it was really nice. That was from Yo Sushi. And we got the strawberry cheesecake mochi ice cream, and it was so good. Well, it was slightly melted by the time we had it because we had to go collect it in town and then get the bus back home, but it was still really yummy. Also, I just got an email from the vice chancellor of my uni, saying that graduation is going to be cancelled this year. So I guess I'm not having a graduation. So I've got my marshmallows and butter melting in here. Then I've got my Rice Krispies ready to go and chocolate and Nutella to top it off. Here it is. So I'm just going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours now and wait for it to set. They do recommend that you put chocolate and Nutella over it for like a little kind of tray bake moment, but I ran out of Nutella making it. I don't really have good enough chocolate to just put it on top, and it would be nice, and I think it's sweet enough already, so I'm just gonna put it in as it is. I just got a surprise parcel from one of my pen pals. Basically, I told her that the last few weeks I was having like a tough time at uni and not really loving it and stuff, and that's why I've moved home. And she sent me Squishmallow. Oh, he is so cute. His name's Humphrey. Isn't he so cute? When I was younger, I had a hamster called Humphrey, so a bit weird, but And she also made me this really cute Easter card. It's so cute. I'll show you now. Look at this. Isn't it so cute? Look at the little duck. Here's what the chai looks like. Ooh. I'm just making a cup of it now. And I've got this cute little tea infuser. So he just like hangs over the side of your cup and he opens up. And I've just got a teaspoon of my chai in there. So I forgot to take a video before I started drinking it all, but that's about the colour it is now. This guy's still hanging on for dear life. Hi, it's Friday and I haven't filmed anything in 2 days because I've just been so kind of busy and also not really in the mood to film anything. On Wednesday night I had the phone call with my two friends, which was really fun. So it was really nice to have a catch up with them. Yesterday it was just a normal day. I did a few study calls. I study called with my mum in the morning and then my boyfriend in the afternoon. I just spent the evening looking at flats and jobs and stuff like that for what I'm gonna do when I graduate. It's actually really scary having to think about like what I'm gonna be doing. Like this time next year, I literally don't know where I will be, but I don't really mind the whole moving away from home thing because I've already done that before for uni, and I feel like a lot of people have to do that anyway. I'm more worried about like actually being able to get a job, hopefully a graduate job that is applicable to my degree and stuff, so I'm not just like doing anything. But I mean, if it comes down to it, I will literally do anything. It is scary thinking about the future, but it's also really exciting because I was looking at little flats then and being like, oh my god, like I'll be living there and decorate it all the way I want and stuff. Today is Friday, so it's my last work day until Tuesday because Monday is Easter Monday, so I'm going to take that off. My mum is coming home tonight, woohoo! And she's staying for the week, so I'm really excited for that. So I think I'm actually stopping work at like 4:30 or something, and my dad's gonna come pick me up, and then we're gonna go to the station and collect my mum. So I'm really excited for that. Hopefully I'll have a nice weekend, but I'll catch up with you later anyway. So I'm outside with Shirley and the birds are going absolutely crazy. He's just eating and having fun. Do you ever get like a click in your jaw and when you chew it sounds like something's crunching or something in your jaw? Well, I've got that today and it's pretty annoying. It's not as bad now as it was earlier when I had breakfast, but it's still quite annoying. Hopefully it'll go away by later or tomorrow, I guess. There's Shirley having fun in the sun. Well, he's in the shade, but he's still having fun in the sun. He's inviting me. Big birthday. You're so adorable. Some with the tails. True. Ooh. From the Starbucks. She's got her Starbucks. We love it. What did I say in that video? Guns. Are the cherries in it? Oh yes. Oh yeah, see a juicy one there. That one is a toddler. Yummy dinner. Candle dinner. Wine and juice. Lawyers. Bring away. So right now I'm just in the kitchen with Shirley and he's having fun. I got some stuff out of the garden for him and he's just eating that. I put him out earlier, but it was so cold outside. It actually looks really nice outside and warm because it was quite sunny earlier when I put him out, but it's actually freezing, so he didn't want to run outside, which I don't blame him for because I didn't really want to be out there either. There's some of the stuff I brought in from the garden. He absolutely loves sage, so he's just chowing down on that. And I actually put it up here, but he must have smelled it and just pulled the whole thing down, so it's a nice little Friday night treat for him. Are you enjoying it, Shirley? I think he's enjoying it. Back at Starbucks today. Good weather for it. Look at that lovely drizzle. flag action. Little flag blowing out. Jack Daniels. I drink as the own brand. Oh, what a beautiful park. Oh, what beautiful shoes. Not so much.